Okay, class, let us look at road transport. Remember, we are looking at types of land transport. We looked at animal transport and human portage. The third type of land transport is road transport. This is a type of land transport which operates on roads using bicycles, cars, and motorcycles. If you check on this photograph, you will see vehicles moving on land or moving on roads. These are cars moving on roads. A vehicle is standing for the means, a road is standing for the type, and a road is definitely on land, which stands for the form. Advantages of road transport. This is very common to everybody. What are the advantages of using road transport? Roads are common everywhere, which means road transport is available because roads are available everywhere. I hope in Rwanda, every sector, every cell, every village has roads, regardless of the type, regardless of the quality, but at least every village is joined to another village by roads. These feeder roads and maram roads. It is flexible. It is not rigid. For example, at the terminals, as we said, the passenger may even talk to the driver that, may I go out and greet a friend? It is possible compared to air transport. At a terminal, a passenger on road transport may ask for an excuse. He or she first goes for a short call, which is not possible with air transport. It is cheaper for short distances. If you are traveling on a road using a car or a bicycle, it becomes cheaper. You pay less money for short distances. It is faster for short distances. For example, if you want to use a bicycle, you just stop the bicycle rider, you get on a bicycle and move. You don't wait for so long. It has enough storage space. Most of the vehicles, most of the cars have big boot. There is a boot behind the vehicle where the goods of the passengers are kept, compared to air transport. Air transport is very smart. They even count the number of kilograms. They limit you. How many kilograms are you supposed to travel with? But for cars and motorcycles, they even put your luggage in the boot. Sometimes they don't even charge you because the storage space is enough. It is easier for people to own and purchase vehicles, bicycles, and motorcycles than aeroplanes or ships. People can easily buy bicycles and cars, but it is not easy for everybody to buy an aeroplane. Road transport provides door-to-door services. You can remain home, you order for goods, then a car, a bicycle, or a motorcycle brings these goods and finds you at home. But for an aeroplane, it is impossible. You have seen people who own depots of maybe soft drinks and beers. The vehicles for Burarirwa, for example, transport beers up to their doors. But you cannot tell an aeroplane with the pilot to transport goods up to your door. It's impossible. Road transport carries goods of all kinds, like liquids, solids, and gases, which may not be possible for air transport. It requires less skills and technology compared to air. For example, boys who ride bicycles, boys who ride motorcycles don't need much skills compared to people who fly aeroplanes. Disadvantages of road transport. It is slow compared to air. This is obvious. It is commonly affected by weather conditions, especially in rainy season. Vehicles slide. And even in dry season, you find the roads are full of dust. It is expensive in construction. Constructing and maintaining roads, especially in towns, is expensive. It is commonly affected by congestion and traffic jam, especially in towns. It is not good for heavy and bulky goods compared to water. Water carries heavier goods than road transport. Then road transport involves many accidents compared to water and air. The accidents on road may be simple, but in number, they are very many. It's not good for perishable and urgently needed goods, goods which can easily go bad, and goods which are urgently needed, like newspapers, medicine. For perishables, you can talk of tomatoes, talk of bread. These ones cannot be transported by road because it is slow. They need quick means of transport. For example, if you are transporting flowers, you need to use air. Rural roads are not good for fragile goods, goods which can break easily, like glasses, because a vehicle on a poor road keeps on shaking and they may end up breaking. It is affected by relief and water bodies. It is very hard and almost impossible to construct a road across a lake. And when it comes to mountainous areas, it is expensive. It involves highway robbers. These thieves on highway roads also disturb road transport. It leads to pollution of environment, especially air and sound pollution. Thank you.